Home appliances. They make life so easy, and they free up time for us to do other things. Here are some of the most common appliances you'll find in most homes. There is hardly anything to eat in the fridge. A freezer was once called an icebox. Remember these? A man is in the washing machine. What is he doing? The cat is in the dryer. Maybe he's getting some exercise. She is using a hairdryer and playing with the cat. He loves his rice cooker. He's in rice heaven. This is a regular coffee maker. Upgrade and get an espresso machine for the best quality of coffee. This electric kettle boils water in a flash. It looks cool too. This microwave cooks fish. That's one tough fish. Do you have a toaster oven? They make cooking so convenient. The cat is in a pot on the stove. How did it get there? You cook pizza in the oven. Get a specialized pizza oven if you want the best pizza possible. A 4-slice toaster is good for big families. What kind of toaster do you have at home? An iron keeps your clothes nice and wrinkle-free. Do you use an electric shaver? Once you get used to it, you'll love it. A vacuum cleaner is called a Hoover in British English. Use a blender to make all kinds of great stuff, especially smoothies. What appliances did we miss? Which appliance do you use the most? Let us know in the comments.